Guys, I'm here picking up a blackberry. This is a wild blackberry. Most people they stop by here and pick up some blackberries. See, there's so many like it's almost like picked. And oh, I'm gonna go to that side there. See, if I'm gonna go to that side. This has more. Here, this one here. Okay. See, people are stopping by here just to pick up these blackberries. And so today, I'm going to make a blackberry cobbler at home when I go home. Hi guys! I just picked up a blackberry beside the road near our home. And now I'm going to make the blackberry cobbler. And this one is... first thing I did is the pan. When I preheat the oven, I melted butter already, like 6 tablespoons, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, preheated. And now I'm going to mix. This is 1 cup of sugar. That's the ingredients. And 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. This is actually, if you have a self-rising flour, you can use that. This is the best with self-rising flour. Since I don't have, I'm just gonna add. Oh, this is the half. This is the 1 cup. Okay, here half cup, 1.5 cup. I will just add the 2 teaspoons baking powder because I don't have self-rising flour, and 1 teaspoon salt, and mixed it with just whisk it so it will mix all the sugar and the baking powder and salt and flour together. Okay, so it's all mixed together. Now I have to add 1 cup of milk. Oops. That's all you do. It's very easy cobbler. This is what I always make. It's like pancake, like this. See, batter. It's almost the same. So, see, that's all mixed already. And now I can remove my preheated pan with the butter. Hot. It's really hot. Oh, it's already bubbly. Okay. I have to wait for a minute. So, okay. Okay guys, now I'm going to just pour this like this randomly. You don't have to mix it, just pour it. This is really fast and tastes very good and easy. I always make this for our snack during, blackberry season. And now I did not put anything on the berry. I just washed them and I just pour them like this. Uh-oh, there's water on that. Oh, okay. My hands are clean. Okay, I want some more berries on this, so I have to scatter the berries a little. Just cover some batter. And this one will just rise the flour or the mixture batter will just rise. And then now I have to sprinkle it with, oops, my hands. I'll sprinkle this with water, with sugar like that, so it will be crunchy when it cook. Okay, there, that's all. Now I'll put it back in my oven for 30 to 45 minutes. I'll let you know how long that will cook. Hi guys, the cobbler is ready. Okay. Oh, it's hot. I stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. So that's how I know when it is cooked. Okay, now I'm going to try it. Oops. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, this is good with ice cream. See guys? Oh my god, this is so hot and I want to try it now. You have to try this. This is a very good cobbler. But you can put more berries or less berries. Oh my god, I can't wait. This is to die for. Try this recipe. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it and try it. Bye. My god, I'm talking.